Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. Today is day 21 of the Practice What I Preach series, and in this video I'm going through a pull workout. So everything is on the screen, so watch it and see what I'm doing. So today I was seeing patients and I was referred to by a doctor at a local hospital, this patient that I reviewed. So he presented with chest pain, and obviously, when you get chest pain, you get a bit worried. So he went to the emergency room, went through triage, spent the day in hospital, and at the end of the day, when he was seen by a doctor, all his tests were clear, so his heart was all good, all his bloods were good. The doctor recommended him to go see a physio. And you're probably wondering, what can a physio do about chest pain? So physios kind of diagnose as well. So we know how to diagnose and differentiate between different issues. So given that his heart was all clear and his blood tests were all clear, my job was to see if it was a musculoskeletal issue or if it was a lung issue. Given that he came from hospital, they probably screened him for his lungs as well. So that's part of the cardiovascular system. So when they screened the heart, they probably checked the lungs as well. But when he came in, he presented pretty young, pretty healthy guy. Nothing seemed wrong with him. His movements were all good. He complained when he was taking deep breaths in and when he would cough or sneeze. And that was a bit of something to look out for. When I had a look at his movements, nothing seemed out of the ordinary. But when I got him laying down, when I did a kind of assessment of the joints through his thoracic spine and through the intercostals, I was finding that there was a lot of kind of stiffness or resistance through the right side of his T-spine and his rib joints. So when I compared his right to his right side was significantly more stiff, so it wasn't moving as much. And this is a common thing that we see when it comes to kind of mid-back pain. So your thoracic spine is meant to be mobile. That's why it's a bunch of joints kind of connected to each other, a bunch of bones floating with joints connected to each other. If it was meant to be a still thing, it would have just been one single bone. So we've evolved joints to have slight movements in our body as we do things. So for him, the right side of his thoracic spine had seized up, and when he was going to breathe or cough or sneeze, the sudden increase of inter-abdominal pressure would just force the ribs to kind of push out. Because the right side of his ribs weren't pushing out, it was causing pain and discomfort through his chest. And this is really common. So your thoracic spine connects your ribs from your back all the way to the front, to the sternum, through your rib cage. So if there's stiffness through one area, then it can start to refer pain out to the front. So I've had a lot of people come to me with chest pain, and it's usually because their mid-back is a bit stiff. At the same time, if you go through your dermatomes, you know that the innervation of the thoracic spine can also refer out to the front, which pretty much means that the nerves in the back around your mid-back also look after sensation at the front. So as I've mentioned a lot of times previously, pain is a signal that something's not right. And for this particular gentleman, it was just a bit of stiffness through his rib joints and through his thoracic spine. So did a bit of treatment, loosened him up, and he felt a lot better. And I just gave him some exercises to get him going. So that was just a fun case I did today, and just something for your general knowledge, just in case you kind of freak out. But at the end of the day, if you're getting chest pain and you don't know what's really causing it, it's best to go to the doc. And if it's really bad, then just go straight to hospital. But that was a good catch from that doctor at the hospital. And I'm glad I got to see him, and I'm really glad he's feeling better. So that was my day today. How was your day? I hope you had a really good day today. This pool workout was still a light day, so And tomorrow I'm going to start going heavy again, so I'm excited for that. But I hope you guys are enjoying watching me warm up pretty much for the last couple of days, and we're going to start lifting some fun weight in the near future. So I hope you're safe, and if you like this kind of video, please let me know. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.